Hi CS Profession students, I am CS Pooja. Are you feeling overwhelmed with drafting? I can understand. With drafting being such a vast subject and having to remember so many drafts, I can totally understand. So in this video, I will tell you 5 things which will make drafting subject easy for you. I followed these 5 things myself and scored 66 in my drafting paper. The first thing I would like to tell you is I have analyzed 10 to 15 years past year question papers and I will tell you important topics to study from each chapter and what are the exact topics which have been asked from each chapter. So this in itself will make the subject look very concise and it will make the drafting subject very easy and you will feel more in control of the paper. There's a secret tip I would like to give you. That is, make your own short notes. So just like before going to an accounts paper, you practice all the sums. So for drafting paper, you need to actually draft beforehand and that will make you score well. So please make your own short notes. So did you know if you just write 7 to 8 points per draft, it is more than enough. In the textbook, there are certain drafts which contain 20 to 25 points. You don't need to remember all these points. Just 7 to 8 points if you write per draft, it is enough. There's a power tip which I would like to give you. That is, see the actual drafts and don't just study the drafts from the study material. So suppose you're studying a sale deed, a mortgage deed or a partnership deed, try to see how these drafts looks in reality and that will really help you. So see the actual drafts and don't just study from the study material. Also, I would like to tell you, drafting is not using only technical words and is not only formal writing. The main aim of drafting is to communicate whatever you want in an understanding manner. So just don't just relax and don't just think drafting is only using technical words. So how can I help you? I can help you in the form of a course which I have created for drafting. So what you will get in this course is complete revision of the entire drafting syllabus, analysis of past year question papers and important topics which are repeated from each chapter. And the main thing is you will save a lot of your time and effort by taking up this course. So I request you to come and take this course which is available on our Ekcel website and our Ekcel app. So this course consists of 11 videos and one free video. So you can access the free video also, the link of which is given in the description box, and the entire course's link is also given in the description box. So I hope this course is helpful for you. If it is, please leave it in your comments and happy drafting.